We are here in Japan together with our students. We will be here for 3 days. And today we are going to see the famous Osaka Castle. We are so amazed of the place. The weather was so good during that time. At tingnan nyo naman yung street ng Japan. Napakalinis at napakatahimik. It's so amazing. It's still morning, wala pa kaming breakfast, kaya we were so happy to find our go-to place, which is Lawson, kasi budget travel lang po tayo, but the food is really good. Hindi tayo allowed kumain while naglalakad, kaya dito lang tayo sa gilid kumakain. So, now punta na tayo sa Osaka Castle. The Osaka Castle was built in 1583 by Toyotomi Hideyoshi, one of Japan's greatest warlords. It was designed to be the most powerful fortress during that time. Yung castle na yan has been destroyed multiple times by war, fire, and lightning, but each time it was rebuilt even stronger. So the Osaka Castle is one of the most historical places dito sa Osaka na hindi mo dapat miss as a tourist. And we are so happy. This is one of the greatest adventures that we had for this year, and thank you for our school for the free travel.